This is my daily OC cream cleanser, and I created this product because I love cream cleansers. I'm not a fan of makeup removers. This is my go-to for a pre-cleanse, and I love something super hydrating and gentle for the morning. So in this video, I want to share with you what skin types are best for this product, how to use, and also the key ingredients and benefits. So all skin types can use this creamy cleanser. My dry, combo, and sensitive skin people love this product because it is paraben-free and 99% natural. So this is super gentle, and that's why all skin types can use it. The benefits of this cleanser is that it is a soap-free cleanser. Like I said before, it's 99% natural. There's no parabens, there's no dyes, there's no synthetic fragrances. The ingredients in here are amazing, super gentle, like sunflower oil, chamomile extract, and there's a slight little citrus scent, this tangerine essential oil that I put in there just so it can be super refreshing and also super beneficial to the skin. To use this product, about a nickel size is all you need to get a good cleansing on your skin. And again, because it's so hydrating, it won't dry your skin out. And you can use it morning and at night, multiple times if you need, if you have super sensitive and dry skin.